Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Bicky here, and today in this video, I'm gonna show you how the new high ticket system that I'm working on, how that system has worked for me, and how it has been working for all different people. Okay, I'm gonna show you all these results that everyone is getting from this program. So, guys, as you can see here, this person by the name of Daniel, he got today $447 commission. Okay, and this commission came from just one single sale. And as you can see here, you earned a commission. And if we see next, another person by the name of Saloni, she got another commission here. As you can see, congratulations, a reward of $447. So this person by the name of Saloni, she also made a commission of $447. Okay, and here is another person by the name of Mandeep. Here you can see this person made a $1,122 commission and $1,122 commission again, and both these commissions came on the 7th March. Okay, on the same day. So that's over $2,000 in one day. Okay, so basically, guys, this is high ticket affiliate marketing. Okay, where they like you get paid 447 to over $1,000 per commission. Okay, and if I show about myself, I have made over $100,000 from high ticket affiliate marketing in last few months. Okay, I work on several different high ticket programs, so I have generated over $100,000 on different programs. Okay, so basically, guys, this system which I'm telling you here, this is the system. Okay, here you can see the dashboard. So the first three is the 3 day challenges. Okay, day one, day two, day three. So it tells you everything to go step by step in day wise format. Okay, and then if you scroll down here, you can see email marketing. Okay, this whole module is for the email marketing. Okay, and then this one is for the Facebook group method, this one is for TikTok method. So this whole program has all these trainings, all these tips that you need to get this working. Okay, here you can see paid traffic with Google ads. So even it teaches you Google ads, how to run YouTube ads. Okay, everything about Google ad and TikTok ads. Okay, also at the moment they will be paying you like 75% commission, so that's very huge compared to other affiliate products which are running in the market at the moment. Okay, so if we summarize this system, okay, this system they pay you $447 to $1,122 per commission. Okay, and this system can be easily promoted on free TikTok traffic. Okay, on TikTok you can make face video and you can make faceless video, both. So both works on TikTok. Okay, with this system. And the second one which I was testing and which was really giving good results is the free YouTube traffic. Okay, so these two traffic is really doing well with this system. Okay, and for me, I give private training to my team. So like if you want to get started with this system, okay, if you want to make these big commissions, and if you try this high ticket program, so what you're gonna do is you gonna simply follow these two steps. Okay, the step one is join my private Facebook group, and then step two is create account on this system with one time payment. Okay, and a very good thing about this system is there is no monthly fee. Okay, no monthly fee. Okay, it's just one time payment. Okay, and there is no ClickFunnels tool required. Okay, I don't use ClickFunnels for the promotion of this system, so you don't need ClickFunnels. Okay, you don't need any heavy funnel builder. Okay, it's just pure one time payment. Okay, and no other hectic tools needed. Okay, so it's very simple system, just clear cut one time payment, and then you start promoting the system. Okay, on free TikTok traffic, free YouTube traffic. Okay, and once you start promoting using the strategy that I'll be teaching you as well, you can get those big commissions. Okay, and yeah, they pay you 75% commission like you see here, 75% commission. So guys, if you want to make these big commissions, okay, simply follow these two steps, okay, and create your account on the system, and I will see you inside.